Welcome to Shoal Bay East Anguilla. This was over the weekend, June 14th. We walked down past Ola's, which is a new taco place, opened about a year ago. We took a right, walked past Shoal Bay Villas down to this amazing little tiki hut here. We really had an incredible day. Anguilla is just the best, some of the best beaches in the world. You can see her floating out there on the right in the yellow tube. There she is, straight ahead. So again, I'm not awesome with the drone, but at least I can share this place with you. I mean, just look, we're the only people on this beach. Again, this is during COVID, so our borders are closed. Interesting scenario, but it's truly beautiful. I mean, she is just chilling. I had to get this on video. What we normally do is I'll go and I'll take some footage, and then, you know, we're not super content people, even though I do like creating it. We like to live our own lives, so sometimes I get the shots and then I put it away and we really enjoy. So we walked down this whole entire beach. Shoal Bay, it's a great run from side to side. It's about 1 mile. If you go down one end, if you come in kind of where you would normally, and you go to one side all the way down to the end and back, it's about 2.5 miles. You can barely see her. Look how crystal clear that water is. I mean, it's just, Anguilla is the most beautiful place in the world. Shoal Bay is one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, and then to have it all to yourself is truly special. So here she is, just again floating while I'm kind of having fun. You can just see how clear the water. I mean, she's in 20 feet of water there, and you can see the bottom just perfectly. Zooming back up again, now we're facing the little peninsula where the tiki hut is. Shoal Bay Villas are off to our viewing right. Coming back in. Yeah, Shoal Bay East Anguilla. You're looking at the eastern tip now. Farther down, the next cove over is going to be Island Harbor. Again, the endless abyss of Lorne floating in the Caribbean Sea. It's a truly special place. As we zoom back into our chill zone, Anguilla at its finest. I mean, you just can't get better than this. It truly, you know, it's a special place and a special beach, and there I am. And I'm in the little hut so I can get some shade so I can actually see what's going on with the drone. I get nervous every time I fly it. We're gonna land it back now here, and that is a little drone footage of Shoal Bay East Anguilla in the Caribbean. I believe it was June 13th or 14th. I don't remember if I got this on Saturday or Sunday. We went both days. I believe this was Saturday. But yeah, hopefully the borders will open soon and we can have you back to Anguilla soon enough. Take care, guys. Let me know if you